What are the benefits of shared hosting for WordPress bloggers? Blogging is one of the best ways to reach out and share your thoughts with the world. WordPress is a popular blogging platform that has enabled numerous people to start blogging without much technical expertise. Here are 5 credible benefits that make shared hosting the right hosting platform for WordPress bloggers. Low pricing. Most bloggers pursue blogging as a hobby, so they need an affordable yet powerful hosting solution. Shared hosting is the cheapest hosting platform, which makes it the perfect choice for bloggers. Simple to use. Bloggers want a platform which lets them blog without getting distracted by operational intricacies. Shared hosting is simple to use and lets bloggers manage their hosting without technical expertise. Effortless scalability. As a blogger increases their engagement, the additional traffic needs more resources to sustain performance. Shared hosting enables bloggers to scale their websites quite effortlessly by upgrading their hosting plans. Plugins and extensions. WordPress supports plugins which enhance a website's usability and offer additional features in a modular fashion. Shared hosting supports WordPress plugins, enabling bloggers to add new functionality to their website. Built-in security. Security is an integral part of a website, and blogs need to protect their data against malware and hacking attacks. Shared hosting plans include built-in security measures that keep out most of the attacks and keep data safe. HostGator's shared hosting runs premium hardware that's efficiently controlled by a powerful control panel. Get a feature-packed hosting platform with one-click app installations, advanced programming and 24/7 support.